Hello children, welcome to our next session, Computer Language and Programming a Computer. So computer language is our first topic and programming a computer is our second topic. So module number 4. So we can able to communicate with others by using a language, right? So if I talk in Telugu, can you able to understand? No. So we can able to understand by our own language. So like that, the computer can able to understand all the data and instruction by its own computer language. So the computer language is also known as programming language. So the programming language consists of symbols and characters used to give instruction. So by using the programming language, we can able to give instructions to the computers. So computers can only process information in the form of series of numbers. So that is a number. The computer can able to process the information. So all information and instruction given to a computer must finally reach in a special language which consists of zeros and ones. So there is a special language. So whatever instruction you are giving inside the computer, finally that instruction or information reaches a special language. That language consists of zeros and ones. So these numbers, the zeros and ones, these numbers are called binary numbers. So the language of binary numbers is called machine language. The special language which the computer can able to understand is machine language. So this was the first computer language. Okay, this was the first computer language. In first generation, all the instructions had been fed in the computer by using this language. So now you can realize that how extremely difficult task it is. Okay, only an expert can do this. By learning the machine language, and computer expert only can able to give the instruction inside the computer. In third generation computer, language such as BASIC, COBOL, Pascal, C, C++. So these languages enable us to communicate with computer easily. So by using these languages, programs were built and we can able to communicate with the computer easily. So these languages are known as high level languages. Okay, so today we are not knowing we are not having any knowledge about the computer language what we are working on. The graphic environment makes working on the computer very simple. So just you are selecting, you are clicking on the image, that means icon, and using all the applications in the computer. So computer have now become more extremely user friendly and can be used by anyone with very little computer knowledge. Our next topic is programming a computer. So as you know, the computer works by processing the data according to the instruction given. So what are the data whatever you are given inside the computer, it will operate only by the instruction given inside. So the instruction have to be given in a computer language. So whatever instruction is set inside, it is given in a computer language. So it has carried only one instruction at a time to process. Okay, so the people who is creating a program, they want to thought everything to the computer, how it should be operated. Okay, so the programmer, they are supposed to properly planned before they are creating a program. So the people who is specialized in programming a computer, they are called computer programmer. So here are few steps in making a computer program. Okay, so step 1, understand the problem and plan the solution. So for this, the programmers make flowchart. So first, the programmers, they will make a flowchart by showing various steps. So the flowchart, then carefully examine if there is any mistake. They will check everything. They will plan everything. Okay, they will plan the solution. And second step, write the step shown in the flowchart in a computer programming language. So this is known as coding. So they will write the program. Okay, so by using the computer programming language and also by seeing the flowchart, they will make a program. And third step, they will start testing it and finding mistake in that program, and they will detect, they will find out what are the mistake happen and they will start rectifying it. And finally, they will run, they will examine that program in the computer again and again and correct all the mistakes happen in that program. Okay, so after the programmers get ready, they will store the program in the CD or DVDs, and for selling in the market also they will keep that in the storage device. Okay, so the game CDs and other educational CDs what you are buying all through has gone through this process of programming only. So thousands of people were working in the software companies to develop the programs. Okay, so this is the use of programming a computer.